Hello, welcome to another course with Suerte Dance School. This time we are planning to introduce you to Son Cubano. We already did one video in which we explained the rhythm of son, and we'll link it obviously on the top right now. But this time we'll show you moves. We'll show you how son differentiates from salsa. We'll start with very simple things. In this video, we'll show you what's the posture, what's the position, what's the basic body movement, and how the frame works in general in son. So let's start. Okay, starting from position. We are dancing son relatively close. What is quite important is that in son there is no guapea. Yeah? So step like that in son, slightly dodgy. Now, how close should we dance? There is no one specific way to dance son. Many different people have different styles. I always tell this story to our students on the class that back in times, one Cuban lady came to the party on which I was DJing, and she asked me to play son. And I started dancing with her, and I started dancing like this, a bit open position. And she's like, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I'm just dancing son." She says, No. In my village, we dance like this. And toom, ting, ting, toom. Yeah, and I was like, okay, we can dance like in your village, it's okay. So if in your village you dance differently than us, that's perfectly fine. Now, some of you were probably wondering which direction we are going. And if you did some son classes in your local dance school, you might notice that some teachers are going opposite direction to us. So let me clarify this. Normally, I do my basic this way. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. When some people do it like this. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8. So exactly opposite to us. And now, from my perspective, it completely doesn't matter which way you're doing, because like we explained you in the video about the rhythm, it's all about sounds in music. So if I go pa tutu pa tuduru tutu pa tutu pa tuduru tutu pa tutu pa tuduru tutu pa tutu pa tuduru tutu, or opposite, it completely doesn't matter. So we are going on sounds in music, not really numbers. Now, I use numbers for organization, and when we show you the move, when we explain what we are doing, obviously I use the numbers, but then when we go with music, the feel changes completely. Okay, about the position again. So, some people like to do very funky things here with elbows, block it. I don't really do it. I put my elbow relatively close to Anna's elbow right now, but this position varies. Yeah, there are moments when we'll open arm, and this is kind of useful. Some people are really pedantic about this arm position. I'm not really. More important for me is that we have upper body connection. So this frame. So if I move to the left, she goes to the right. When I go to the right, she goes to the left. This is very important element, very important aspect of dancing son. So when I shift my weight, she feels it, and also I feel her weight moving from one leg to another. Another important aspect of dancing son is that this is our default position. So every time when we do a move, I will enter some move, tiki tiki pum, tiki tiki pum, tiki tiki pum. And normally I would do the lekeno and guapea, but now no, we close position and we come back to this basic step in close position. And this is our default step, not guapea, but basic step in close position. When it comes to the frame, I want her to feel when she moves with me to the left and to the right, but also front and back. So steps like, in the next video, we'll show you how to use it in a sequence and how to lead it. Or things like caminala in close position, and ting, ting, boom, and ting, ting, boom, and ting, ting, boom. All of this requires strong frame of upper body. So guys, this part of your arms, your upper arms, and your chest, relatively strong, and from girl point of view, she responds with the same. So even when I'm touching only her elbow, the rest of her body is very responsive in here. So I can wiggle around and she feels everything. Keeping frame in son is a lot more important than doing it in salsa. Okay, we'll try to do something like setenta with a bit of walking in it as well. For now, we'll keep our enchufla as normal, so we'll be stepping small steps back but in Son it's very common to do anchufla fully forward as well. So for now, just basic 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We'll show you whole move. 6, 7, 8. Start with D like no hop. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7. Turn her. 2, 3 anchufla. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3 anchufla, and we close position. Ting, ting, hop, and cheeky, cheeky, hop, and cheeky, cheeky, hop. So there will be no delay cano in the end. We'll just close position and get back to our basic. Okay, now pretty slowly what is happening in here, what to pay attention to. First, swapping from basic step to delay cano. Accent on 4, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. So on 4, I'm opening, and she's ready for the like 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. Straight from here, I'm leading forward towards the turn. 6, 7, 8, and turn. 2, 3, 4. Here, small anchufla. 6, 7, 8. Just walk forward. 2, 3, 4. And the last section, again, small anchufla. We're closing position. 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. And 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. Very, very simple. 2, 3, 4. We'll do the same again. And 2, 3, 4. And 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, and finish. 6, 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4, and tiki tiki puku, and tiki tiki puku. 6, 7, 8, and opposite direction. 6, 7, and we go. First, D like no. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, and chufla. 6, 7, walk. 2, 3, and chufla. 6, 7, finish. 2, 3, 4, and 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4. This is the very, very, very basic way of doing it. And again, some of you will write to me later, oh, this is not how you should do it. And I would say, yes, this is how we should teach it. So it's important to start with elements that you know well and apply them into Son, just to feel comfortable. If I wanted to do it slightly different, with a lot more walking forward, I could do. So it would work like this. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, and we go 2, 3, forward. We will go forward a lot from now. Ting, ting, hop, and now forward. Hop and forward. Hop and forward. Hop and forward. Hop and finish. Zoom and ting, ting. A lot more rotation. A lot more dynamics. And ting, ting, boom. If you like this version, if you know how to apply it already, you can do. For now, just for training purposes, we'll stick to the version we showed you at the beginning. The most important at the beginning is to get used to the rhythm, get used to the dynamic, and feel that every single time you should come back to close position. We'll do this with music. We'll practice with you quite a few times. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Pa, 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 pa. And we go.
Soy de allí del
Pa, pa,
campo,
pa, pa, pa,
tierra
pa,
mía,
pa, pa, pa,
donde el
pa,
arroyo te
pa,
brinda
pa, pa, finish.
agua fría,
Up.
donde tú
Tic, tic,
ves
ta,
un
ta,
bello
pa,
amanecer
pa, 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 pa,
y las
pa.
flores del valle.
One more time the same, we
huelen
go,
a
di like it no. Tic, tic,
Soy de allí te
tic,
digo,
tic.
donde el sinsonte le canta
Front
cada día
and two flat,
al viejo
close
monte,
position.
y la paloma
And opposite
hace
direction.
sonido en el
Pa,
sombrero.
pa, 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 and we go. Di like it no.
Soy de allí donde hay caña y café y una guardarraya que me quema los
And close
pies.
position.
Yo soy de allí,
And we'll do it
señores,
one more
y
time.
allí moriré en mi viejo bohío que
Just
está
for
a la
practicing.
entrada del batey.
And we go. Di like it no. Setenta. Walk front. And chufla. Close.
de allí,
pa, 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 pa,
donde
pa.
las palmas
And last time,
al aire sienten
we go.
cantar, por eso baila.
Tum.
Y un rayo de sol en la mañana suele
Tum,
colarse
pa, pa, y,
por mi
tam,
ventana.
pa, pa, y, pa, pa,
Yo soy de allí
pa, pa,
donde
y,
hay
pa.
caña y café y una guardarraya
Frame.
que me
Position.
quema los pies. Yo soy de allí, señores, y allí moriré.
Tum, tum, tum.
En mi viejo bohío
Okay.
que está a la entrada.
Many of you are always asking about this song. This is Soy de Ahí by Los Siete Juanes. I'll leave the name of the song in the description of this video. Next time we'll show you another simple sequence. We'll show you a few more concepts, a few more ideas about how to dance son. So if you don't want to miss it, like, subscribe and press the bell. Like, subscribe and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. I will attach the link to the introduction class in cards, and it will start showing up when we finish our video. So make sure to watch that. Make sure you have your rhythm really, really strong. I know that this is frustrating thing at the beginning. Many beginners give up on son only because they are struggling with the rhythm. But once you pass this stage, actually dancing it is really fun. Son music is quite deep, a bit more emotional than salsa, less happy, more deep. Yeah, so if you like this way of dancing, definitely you will enjoy this small course. I don't know how long it will be. We'll experiment with many different ideas for you. And if you, for example, find something online again that you would like us to explain, you would like us to go through, give us a shout and we might use it in our videos. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.